Oster Baldwyn 14-piece and 22-piece cutlery sets bring precision cutting and durability to all of your kitchen prep needs. The 14-piece has cutlery for everyday use, while the 22-piece has specialty items like a 6-inch boning knife. Baldwyn knives have precision stamped construction for durability through the length of the blade. Stainless steel blades provide a razor-sharp cut. Superior serrated edges on the bread knife make cutting easy. Baldwyn has ergonomically designed handles that feel comfortable in your hand. You should hand wash all items and dry immediately. Both sets come with a sturdy hardwood block that makes storage easy. The 22-piece set has a swivel base for easy access to all knives. Bring the legendary performance of Oster cutlery to your kitchen today.
If you're just starting to cook or are a seasoned chef, this high-quality carbon steel knife set makes a great addition to your kitchen. These knives have superior high-carbon stainless steel blades. The benefit of the carbon blade is that they are well-balanced and have a longer edge tension, which means less sharpening. Each knife in the set comes equipped with an ergonomically designed triple-riveted plastic over-molded handle for a secure, comfortable grip and enhanced control. Each knife's triple-riveted construction securely attaches the handle to the stainless steel tang, which runs from the blade through the end of the handle. Here's what you'll find in the box. The most invaluable knife to any chef is the chef's knife. You'll use this knife 90% of the time for any of your everyday chopping and slicing. And because it's kind of like a mini chef's knife, the paring knife can do all of the finer detail tasks like peeling fruit or trimming meat. Making croutons for stuffing or slicing a baguette for crostini couldn't be easier with the serrated bread knife. The powerful kitchen shears can do everything from cutting through chicken to trimming herbs for a garnish. Keeping your knives sharp makes using them a lot easier. You can use the included sharpener to sharpen the knives by placing it upright in front of you while holding the sharpener tight. Always hold the knife away from you and pull each side of the knife down the sharpener, gradually diminishing the pressure. Always wash your knives by hand and completely dry them after each use. When not in use, place your knives in the wood knife block for easy storage.
Now I'm putting the celery in the right position on the board, so the knife can actually be in a 45-degree angle. I'm starting on the tip, and then I'm moving backwards, and while coming down and forwards, I'm actually starting the circular motion. There's a few things that are important. The first one is that you want to actually go all the way down on each motion. So you really want to make sure that you finish the motion so each piece gets cut cleanly. You want to always cut with the back of the knife. You only use the front of the knife when you're cutting something really big. Don't put your finger on the blade. And then the last thing that makes it safe is to keep the knife straight. You might think or feel that it's safer to actually see the edge, but in reality it's much safer to hold the knife straight. When you got the circular motion down, you can try the guided cutting. So you put your hand in a claw position on the produce and you touch the blade. The hand moves back and the blade keeps following the knuckles. It's really important to make sure that everything is behind that knuckle that is actually touching the blade. It's for the same purposes as the chef's knife is the sentoko. Sentoko is a Japanese chef's knife. It has a much straighter edge than the chef's knife. A lot of things are the same. You use it in a 45-degree angle on the board and you hold it in the pinch grip. The guiding hand also has the exact same function. What's different is the motion. Because the edge is straight, you actually drop it to the board and slightly forwards like this. When you have the motion down, you can use the guided cutting again.
Your next item here is a paring knife. Very, very useful. I like small knives like that. I find them to be easy to handle. This is called a bird's beak knife. It's great for doing specialty cuts. Next, here's your utility scissors. These are great for opening any kind of hard plastic packaging, or even sometimes, you know, when you get those bags from the grocery store, they're really hard to open. That's really great for that. This is your honing steel. This is our sharpening steel. This is really important to use in conjunction with your knives so that you keep them properly maintained. This is, you basically hold your knife at a 20 to 22 degree angle and you pull it from the heel to the tip, and you do that on both sides. And use firm pressure. Firm, even pressure is really important. The other thing that you need to do is, some people like to do this before they use the knives, but if you do that, make sure you clean them first because you will get residue from sharpening. Or the other thing that you can do is after you're done using them, sharpen them, clean them, and then return them to the knife block. That's the easiest way to make sure that you always have your knives properly maintained. Amazingly well, especially when you're going to do things like slice up an orange. I like to do this and make little wedges. It couldn't be easier. And there you have it, the Cuisinart Classic Knife Set.
Stay one step ahead in the kitchen with Farberware. No matter the time of day, create delicious meals that are sure to please. Farberware makes everyday cooking so much easier. With high-quality, multi-purpose products that take you from start to finish. From flavorful breakfasts to delicious dinner time favorites,